The Court of Appeal has cleared the way for the Law Association of Trinidad and Tobago to investigate Chief Justice Ivor Archie on allegations of corruption after a three-judge panel overturned a ruling by a High Court judge barring them from doing so. The Law Association had sought to investigate the CJ after a series of newspaper articles alleged he had inappropriately used his office to influence and aid others. Peter Christopher tells us more in this report.
Acting Chief Justice Alan Mendonca and Justices of Appeal Peter Jamada and Nolan Berrow ruled unanimously that Justice Nadia Kangaloo was wrong in her reasoning to rule the Law Association did not have the power to investigate allegations of misconduct against Chief Justice Ivor Archie. Justice Kangaloo in March had pointed to Section 137 of the Constitution, which states the President appoints a tribunal after misconduct allegations against the Chief Justice are referred by the Prime Minister. While the appeal court judge's ruling were not read out in court, CNews obtained their rulings explaining their decision to overturn Justice Kangaloo's judgment and dismiss the counter-appeal. Acting Chief Justice Mendonca shut down the counter-argument placed by the CJ's legal team that the Law Association had acted in bad faith, stating much of the argument was premised on the failure of the Law Association to provide the processes and procedures the Committee of the Law Association adopted. He added, "I am of the view that a failure to do so cannot sustain a claim in bad faith, particularly as the Law Association provided whatever the Chief Justice specifically requested." Meanwhile, Justice Jamada agreed that the Law Association had not acted in bad faith or contrary to the principles of natural justice in its investigation of or dealings with the Chief Justice in relation to the serious allegations of misconduct that have been publicly leveled against the Chief Justice. He said, "There is no evidence or suggestion that the Law Association is motivated by malice or that it intends and or seeks to undermine public trust and confidence in the administration of justice." Meanwhile, Justice Berrow said the Law Association's inquiry into the allegation fell in line with its mandate, particularly given the silence of the Chief Justice on the matter. He said, "A restrained approach to the very serious allegations does not reflect well on the office." It is understood that the Chief Justice attorneys have already signalled their intention to appeal to the Privy Council in London. However, the Law Association has said they will not have a special general meeting until at least the hearing of the application for leave to go before the British Law Lords is heard. Peter Christopher, CNews.